Up next on the Tesla Plaid channel.
All right, we got Andrew with the Tesla Plaid channel here in the left lane, lining up with the C7 Z06.
Bradenton Motorsports Park, March 9th, 2023. They're prepping the track. It's looking good. All kinds of cars are showing up. A lot of the usual suspects. Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers, Corvettes. Let's see if anybody's running in the 9s tonight. We're going to be selective about our races and try not to go down with any 10-second cars. But first, the 9-second cars have to show up. All right, we've been scouting cars for about 2 hours. Fastest car we've seen make a pass is this Corvette behind us. He's running 970, 980, so we're going to give him the hit, and hopefully that'll make for a competitive run here. Got a number of mods. He's running E85, by the way. So Mike's C7 Z06 here is beautiful. I believe he's got over 800 horsepower to the wheel. He threw a rock at us. All right, we want to avoid the water here. We're at 94% battery state of charge, dragster mode peak performance ready, and if we stage first, we have a reasonable chance to get all the way down into launch control. I'm not seeing a lot of glue left. Been a lot of cars down since they prepped it. All right, we got to find a good line here.
All right, we got Andrew with the Tesla Plaid channel here in the left lane, lining up with the C7 Z06.
Now he agreed to let me go in first and double bulb here, so that's what I'm going to do. And I am giving him the hit. So we're dropping it down into launch control.
Andrew takes it, 925 at 150.
He goes, and now I go. At 100+ mile an hour like that. Good pass. He was quick. I think we're right on him as he moved. Our 60 foots were very similar. Be interesting to see the difference between our reaction times. Hey there. Thank you. Not a great 60 foot, 151, and that's why we ran a 925, 150.93 miles an hour with a 397 to the 330 and a 601 to the 8th mile at 120. Mediocre pass, all things considered, but it was all on the launch. If that would have been a 143 60 foot like we had last week at Showtime even, then that would have been more like a 918 pass. Let's talk to Mike about his run.
Good run.
Yeah, I'm interested to see.
Out of the hole, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, there's no way. I was like, there's no way I'm leaving this guy out of the hole like this.
No, I was 0.7 on the reaction. I'm guessing you were probably between 0.2 and 0.3.
3.391.
Okay. So you're 391, my 7.0. So somewhere between 3 and 4/10 on the move. But I wonder why you only did a 9.9. Was your temperature high?
Yes. So my air intake manifold temps are 170. So my blower temps right here are 170. My ATs were like 120.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pulling timing out. You better believe for sure at those temperatures.
Our 60 foots were close. So you had 153 to my 151. I was surprised how close they were.
Yeah, right.
With the 200s, yeah.
I think it's that burnout. Like before, I think when I came out here for the first time, I wasn't burning them down enough or like heating them up enough, you know?
And you had a 640 to the 8th mile. So actually, if you look at our tickets,
what'd you run overall?
925.
925. Oh,
but most of that was on the top end. I ran a 601 only to the 8th mile, but as I look at the numbers here, my 8th mile plus the difference in our reaction and your 8th mile, because you're essentially like a perfect reaction because I don't move until you move.
Yeah, right.
We were really close right at the 8th.
Okay. Did I do it long enough to let?
Yeah,
okay, perfect. I was like counting it down and I was like, oh, I gotta come in.
Yeah, we launched perfect. And then at the finish line, it was less than 4/10.
So what was your mile per hour?
3.9. 150.9.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it still pulls on the top of the track.
I think mine, like, to me, it feels like it dies top end. Like mine's just kind of like, you know, it feels weird up top.
Gearing, maybe?
Maybe, yeah. Like you said, that first gear on this thing's so quick. Like, so I think by the time it shifts, maybe if I don't know. Junior said just let the transmission do its thing, you know, like don't try to shift it, you know.
Nice. Well, it was a fun run.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm happy I got in the 9s tonight. So like, because last week I was in, like I said, my first run was like a 10.7. I was like, no way. And then I got down to 10.4 and I picked up mile per hour. So I was like, okay, this thing's got 9s in it, you know.
So you'd have had to run more like 9.60 for that to have been a much closer race. Because it was 3.9 at the finish. Whew. And 3.5 would have been. So a 9.64 would have beat me.
You were moving. I seen you coming.
But I was hoping you had a 9.70 in it. But good run.
Good run. Yeah. Oh yeah, it was fast. I enjoyed it. This time I didn't red light too, so I was like happy. You know, like.
Well, that's the nice thing about getting the hit is you can't red light. You can leave whenever you want. I'm just watching you, waiting for you. So. Yeah, good run, man.
Thank you.
Well, we just got that one race tonight. Nothing else competitive, nothing in the low 9s to run against. Fun time running against Mike's Z06. He's running E85, by the way, and got a number of mods. Maybe we'll go through those with him next time we're out of here. There he is now. He's going to make another run, but hasn't bested his 980 pass, first pass of the night. But we'll certainly race again, and he's only going to get faster. John. All right, we're 95% battery state of charge. I talked to him. He said it was all right if I went down next to him. I was going to get video.
Who did you ask? Not the driver.
The crew.
Yeah, I know, but the safety guy won't let you usually do it because if there's a problem, we only got him for safety.
Oh, Millsy or John?
No, Skid. Yeah.
Can you ask him on the radio?
Skid.
He knows me. I've got thousands of runs here.
Dragster said they could race each other. Okay.
I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, they're making a special exception to let me run the rail dragster here. Short wheelbase. All right. You know if it's a full tree? Is it going to be a full tree?
No, it's a regular tree.
I'm going to let her move.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks, Dusty. All right, I'm going to let her move. was listening for the engine to rev up higher and it didn't. And so it kind of surprised me when it left soft like that. I think we can all figure out which car had the better ET. Gave it too big of a move, didn't I?
Oh, quarter of a second.
Did I catch it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't think I caught it.
Yeah, you beat her by 0.07.
Oh, less than a tenth. Okay.
Yeah.
I had thought that she just clipped me
Well,
because
she red lighted by 0.5, you red lighted by 0.2.
oh, I was chasing her, of course. So I see what you're saying. I didn't hear her engine rev up,
Yeah.
and you you expect to hear at least some sound when you're giving a car the move like that, especially a car like that one. But actually, according to this slip, that dragster did cross the line first, but it lost based on the red light. First is worst, and it left before I did. We both red lit. I red lit just chasing it down. So we ran a 605 at 121.3, and the We the People Dragster ran a 689 at 100.2. Surprised to see we also out 60-footed it with our 152 to the Dragster's 162, but that huge trap speed difference, over 21 miles an hour faster for the Plaid over that Dragster. Interesting run. Thanks for joining us tonight on the Tesla Plaid channel.